Good morning, all of you. I am Nancy Malhotra and I will be teaching you bio. So, today we are going to start chapter number 8, that is adaptation. Okay, so all of you open your book on page number 119. We are going to start chapter number 8. Okay, so before starting this chapter adaptation, I want to tell you about some of the terms. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you about environment. What is environment? You all know what is environment? Everything that is around us, whether it is living or non-living, constitutes the environment. Like we are having, what we are having around us? We are having plant around us, we are having animals around us, we are having water around us, sky is there. So all these things constitute the environment. Got it, all of you? What is environment? Everything around us, like plant, animal, water, sky, this constitute our environment. Okay, and this environment is affecting us in various way. How it is affecting us? Suppose there are no plant in world. ठीक है, environment में there is no plant, what will happen? If there is no plant, you will not get oxygen, है ना, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का concentration will be more in your environment. So basically what they are doing, our environment is affecting us in many ways. Like animal is there, how our animals are useful to us? They are providing us food, है ना, they are providing us cloth materials. Water, you know, if there is no water then you can't live without water, no? So environment, what is environment? Everything around us, like plant, animal, water, that is affecting our life in various way, we call it as environment. Okay, now see, we are dividing the environment into two components. Environment is divided into two components, that is biotic component and second one is abiotic component. Okay, environment is divided into two component, biotic and abiotic component. Now what is biotic component and what are abiotic component? The biotic component are those component which are living, है ना, bio का means is living, ठीक है, all those things, all those objects, we can say anything that is having the life in it, we call it as biotic component. Like plant, है ना, in our environment we are having plant and plant are living, so plant is coming under which component? Biotic component. If I talk about this pen, if this pen is living or non-living? This is non-living, so it will come under the abiotic component. Okay, talking about the animals, animals are living, so they will come under the biotic component. Okay, so biotic component are those component which are having the life in them and abiotic component are those component which are non-living. Okay, so this is all about the environment. This term we have studied. Environment is everything that is around us and that is affecting us in various ways. Okay, now we are going to study about the habitat. Okay, environment is clear to you. Now we are going to study about habitat. What is habitat? See, we know there are variety of organisms present on the earth, है ना, animals are there, different kind of plants are there, like some plants live in water, some plants lives on land, likewise some animals lives on land and some animals lives in water. So there are variety of organisms present on our earth, and we know all this plant and animal, they grow and live at different places. Like I talk of cactus plant, है ना, cactus plant grow in desert area, they can't grow here, they grow in desert area. Talking about the fish, we know fish can't live on land, fish lives in water. So all the living organisms, different kind of living organisms lives at different place, and the place where these organisms live, they flourish means they grow well, ठीक है, they get their water, food, that place या that environment we call as habitat. Okay, so habitat, we can say habitat is a natural environment in which these organisms live. ठीक है, different kind of organisms lives at different places. ठीक है, and this places, this environment we call as habitat. Okay, why they are living at different places? See, we know some plants grow in water only, they can't grow on the land, and some plants grow on the land, they can't grow on the water. So why this is happening? Because every organism has its own habitat. Habitat का means you can say home. कैसा home? Natural home, not man-made home, natural home. कि जहाँ पे this organisms can flourish very well. उनको उनका खाना मिलता है proper, उनको उनका food मिलता है, oxygen they get. ठीक है, जहाँ पे वो अच्छे से फ्लरिश कर सकते हैं, दे कैन ग्रो वेल. दैट प्लेस, दैट इन्वायरमेंट इज कॉल्ड द हैबिटेट. Okay, so both these terms are clear to you, environment and habitat. Now we will come to our chapter, that is adaptation. What is the meaning of adaptation? ठीक है, see, I have told you कि different organisms live in different habitat. ठीक है, different organisms live in different habitat, they live at different place. Why they are living at the different place? Because their body are adapted to that environment. What I told you, their body are adapted to that environment. Adapted का मतलब है, adaptation का मतलब है कि उनकी body में some of the changes take place in their body that is making them suitable to live in particular type of habitat. है ना, like we know fish जो होती हैं, fish lives in water and fish are having gills. Fish are having gills. We human being are having gills? No, we are not having gills. है ना, we used to respirate through our lung and fish used to respirate through gills. So ये एक adapted feature हो गया fish का, means fish is having one special feature. ठीक है, through this feature only fish is able to respirate under the water. ठीक है, so adaptation means we are adapting, या some of the changes are taking place in our body, in particular organism, some of the changes are taking place that is making it suitable to live in a particular type of habitat. Okay, so this chapter is about the adaptation only, कि we will study कि different plant and different animals, how their body are adapted, how their body are changed to live in a particular type of habitat. Got it clear to everyone? Okay, we will study. See, different kind of pictures are also given in your book. First one is duck lives in water and on land. Means the habitat of the duck is both water and land. Similarly, it is given zebra. Zebra lives on land. Third, it is given fish. Where fish lives in water. This shows that different living organisms have different kind of habitat. Okay. So this is hope all this is clear to you. Okay, let me give you quick revision of all this. First of all, we have studied about the environment. What is environment? Everything around us and that is affecting our life, we call it as environment. Okay, you can underline this. Anything that surround and affect the life of an organism is called the environment. Okay, underline this. Then we have studied about the components of environment. So there are two components of environment, biotic component and abiotic component. Biotic component means all the living components such as plant and animal. You can underline this. The living components such as plant and animals are called the biotic component. Okay. Then what are abiotic component? All the non-living component of the environment are called the abiotic component. Example, air, water, light, soil and temperature. Okay, underline this. Then we have studied about the habitat. Habitat is the natural environment in which the living organisms live. Okay, now we are going to study about the type of habitat. Okay, we know different organisms live in different habitats, so there are different types of habitat also. Different types of habitat. So in this, first of all, we are going to study about the terrestrial habitat. We are going to study about the terrestrial habitat, and second one is aquatic habitat. First one is terrestrial habitat and second one is aquatic habitat. So what is terrestrial habitat? Terrestrial habitat is that habitat that is located on the land. That is located on the land. Example, desert. You know deserts are on the land ना, water में थोड़ी ना होता है, air में थोड़ी ना होते हैं, they are present on the land, है ना. So desert is an example of terrestrial habitat. So all those organisms that live in desert, they are having the terrestrial habitat. Example, we can say camel. Camel live in a desert ना, तो camel का habitat is a terrestrial habitat. Okay, simple now. Terrestrial habitat is that habitat that is present on the land. That is present on the land. Other example we can take mountain. Mountain are also present on the land. So mountain is an example of terrestrial habitat. Grasslands. ठीक है. Animals का example if I give you cow, lion, ठीक है. All this dog, etc. all these animals lives on land. It means their habitat is a terrestrial habitat. Got it all of you? Okay. Now second one is aquatic habitat. What is aquatic habitat? Okay, so aquatic habitat is a habitat. Aquatic means you know na, aquatic means related to water. So all the water bodies मतलब जैसे like we can say sea, river, pond, ocean, है ना. all these water bodies constitute the aquatic habitat. All this water body constitute the aquatic habitat. So if I talk of fish, so fish is an example of which habitat? Fish is an example of aquatic habitat. Got it? This is clear to you? Two type of habitat we have studied. First one is terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat is that habitat that is located on the land. And second we have studied aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat is that habitat that is related to the water bodies. Okay, so this was the introduction of your chapter adaptation. Okay, this was all about the introduction only. Next we will next part we will study on next class we will study. Okay, and your homework is go through this once. Okay, whatever I have explained you go through this once. Okay, if you have any doubt then when the school will reopen now I will clear it. Okay, so thank you all of you.